Hi, I'm Pat, and welcome back to the channel. We're here with Rich Rebuilds.
That's me. Thank you for having me, Pat.
Rich, it's a pleasure. Now, a while back, I made an engine display cover for the BMW i8. And, well, I sold the i8, but I figured now would be the perfect time to hand off this amazing product that I created myself, just to have some fun with, to you.
I appreciate that, Pat. Thank you. I know that engine cover and the BMW meant a lot to you, so this is a big deal for me. This is a real big deal for me, so thank you for thinking about me. I appreciate that.
You're welcome. It's my gift to you. And yeah, it took months, I think, for me to actually develop this thing, but I think it was spot on. I had a lot of people asking me, make one for me. I'm like, I don't have time for that.
Right.
But I have time to hook a friend up.
Thank you, man. I appreciate
You got
that,
it,
buddy.
You got it. Let's do this.
Let's
All
start.
right. Let's get this engine cover off of here first.
All right, so I just twist these off.
Twist them off.
And we got this right here. This is the old cover. And then
We got to take the other stuff off here too.
all the accessories, right?
Oh, everything, yeah. Yeah.
Old. All right.
This,
Thank you.
right?
Oh, so actually, I didn't realize we had to take these off too. I have the tools to take that off.
All right.
But is this going to lead to more engine noise?
No.
Okay.
No.
I mean, I'm not complaining. Actually, you know what? It's going to save a little bit of weight too.
Actually, it's going to increase weight.
Why is that?
You'll feel.
Oh boy. Oh boy. Is that like double pane bulletproof glass
Yeah,
we're
it's
putting
like
on there?
yeah, it's a little bit strong.
So what's coming off? Is it just
yeah, we're
this
gonna
cover
take
right here?
this cover off here,
Yep.
and then we're gonna replace that.
I'll get the tools for that. All right.
All right,
Cover's
so
off.
we won't need that anymore.
All right. Let's get rid of that.
We also got to replace this. Man, look how dirty that is. Rich, you ever keep this thing clean?
No.
Do you got like a feather duster or something?
I do. Dude, I have too many
Look, we
cars
got-
to keep clean.
We got freaking leaves in there.
I have too many cars, man. That's the problem. I get like
know.
a full-time detailer. That's my issue.
I know. So yeah, we're just gonna pick up on it. You don't have to turn that. Just
Okay.
lift
Up on it?
lift the whole thing up, both sides.
Ooh. Okay.
Yeah.
Look, a little baby engine.
Yes. We got a couple rubber grommets here still left, so we're gonna take those out. There's one
This is
on
gonna
your.
be so cool, Pat. Again, I just want to thank you, man. This is a big deal for me.
There's
This is
one
really
on your
cool.
side. Reach in and pull that rubber grommet up.
Oh, over here. This one right here? No.
Yeah.
That thing?
Nope.
Nope.
More
grommet?
towards me.
I can't even really see it with that. Oh, right here. I got it.
Yeah. That's on there tight.
Yeah, it's on there pretty good.
All right.
Oh, I want to
So-
step on this. That was.
Well, we need that next.
Yeah, I know. I don't want to pull it up. Wait a minute.
Yeah.
Oh, this is the carbon one.
Yeah.
So you laid this in carbon?
So here's the other end. So
Yeah.
what we need to do
So do
too.
we need these or no?
No, we don't need those.
Okay.
So next thing you want to take the oil cap off because we're going to replace the oil cap with the carbon oil cap. So yeah, I
great.
laid the carbon. Actually, Rebecca and I laid the carbon on this,
Uh-huh.
and that was the first time we ever had done carbon fiber work. So yep,
Wow.
and you just replace that with your new carbon cap.
I feel like this is gonna be a new car when I'm done. Practically. Oh, that's an awesome cap, man.
And then take your cover. And we're just going to lay it on the same 4 posts that supported the other one.
Oh, but wait, do I gotta take this off, or does that just go underneath it?
Oh yeah,
what I
we
mean?
got to take that off. Yeah.
Okay.
I forgot there was an extra one still stuck on there.
What a baby little engine this is. This is
I know.
every time I take the cover off, I'm just like, oh. So it goes on here like this,
Yep.
right?
Yep. You just want to line it up with those 4 grommets and give it a push down. Yep.
That is cool.
Yep. So you just have a little dustiness now, you know.
So what I'll do is you know what I'll do? I'm just gonna give it a quick wipe down.
Yeah.
Just so it looks a little bit better, and then
Yeah. Then we'll put the glass on it.
with the glass on it. Yeah, right.
Yeah. Go ahead.
All right. So I'm gonna. This goes in towards the back, right? This doesn't go up, right? It goes. This is the way it
got
goes.
it just that way. Yep.
Okay. All right.
Now, because this is a prototype,
Yep.
as you're pushing it in there, you might have to rock it back and forth a little bit just to see if it lines up with all the holes.
It looks like it is so far.
And sometimes the holes don't line up perfectly. I'm just warning you that ahead of time.
That's fine.
So, go ahead and grab a couple of those knurled knobs and let's see if
Just
we
to
can
get
get
it.
the side ones in. If we can't get the side ones in, then we know we need to move it. And you may have to pull it out and push it back in. So this one's lining up barely. So we may have to pull it out and push it back in. So,
Oopsie. Okay. Actually, you know what? No, wait, hold on. How's yours doing now?
Not well.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's the only problem with this is you gotta pull it out, put it back in, and see if you can get them to line up a little bit better.
Okay.
See, when I did this video, the original install, it took like 3 takes to get it right, but you didn't see all this crap that I was trying to do.
Right.
Now let's see how I do.
Maybe a little bit better.
Yeah, try yours.
Yeah, it's perfect. Yeah.
All right, so these guys here, because you can't stick that knob in there anymore because the frame's in there.
Right. Just do the bottom
So
ones?
I got
these. Smart
these.
man.
Grab one of them.
Smart man.
And it is the same size hex bit.
Oh, you're smart. That's a genius idea, man.
So just got to slide the washer all the way up in the end of it so it's easier to feed it.
Yep.
And if that lines up, then the rest of them should line up.
No,
Yeah.
mine's in there good.
All right, so just, yep, that's good. So we can put the rest of the knurled knobs in. Now, notice how big I cut this hole here.
Yep.
So I was trying to get stuff lined up correctly. So I bought a washer. It covers that hole.
Oh, you're a smart guy. I love it. Love it.
Because this is going to seal up exactly like factory.
Yep.
And of course we just have some condensation in here. That's
That's
not,
fine. That'll go away.
nothing wrong there with that glass, but yeah. And then you just need the cover that replaces this one. And we're going to also steal,
That pop-off cover.
Yeah.
That one. I see.
so this is an original OEM. I just cut a hole in the middle of it. And then Rebecca and I had upholstered and put all that faux leather on the outside of it.
Oh, this looks clean.
And then lay it down. You may have to wiggle a little bit just to get it. You got to pick it back up. And you might have to hold on.
It's a little jiggling.
There we go. So you actually see because the
It's this.
you got to tilt it so high
Yep.
in order to catch it, and then pull it down.
There you go.
There it is. Yep.
Pat, thank you for sharing this with me.
You're welcome.
This is very cool.
It's all you.
That's an awesome gift.
Look at that.
That's great, man. That's awesome. Thanks, Pat. I appreciate
You're welcome.
that, man. Oh,
You're welcome.
fist bump?
And hey, well,
Hey,
first off, you want to
what
have
about
these
these two knurls one,
spare
yeah.
knurled knobs
That's awesome.
so you don't lose them.
That's fantastic, man. That looks so good. That looks so good.
Got a lot of reflection here, but
It looks fantastic, man. This looks like yours. Appreciate that.
You got it, Rich.
Let's check out yours now. A little different.
yeah, this one doesn't look as sporty.
Yeah, this one you could use some cleaning up in there, but I think it's a good try.
Yeah.
It's a good effort. E for effort.
I tried,
You
Rich.
know?
I tried.
That's cool, man. Thank you very much, Pat. That was very cool.
You're freaking welcome.
Thanks, man. Dude, what an awesome cover, Pat. I know this means a lot to you, so I'm going to keep this on the car as long as I have it, which will probably be forever. This is like a timeless. You should sign it. You should sign it. Seriously.
I don't know about that, but I mean,
you should sign it. That's a big deal. This is a one of one. I think I remember when I was looking for my i8, you made this and it drove people on the forums absolutely bonkers because everyone wanted something like this. Everyone felt that this is something the i8 should have from the factory. And man, I'll tell you, the fact that I have it now, it means a lot. So thank you very much, Pat.
You got it.
It's very cool, man. Thank you.
It's great to pass it on to somebody who can appreciate it.
Passing the torch. Thank you.
And I knew when you made the video on this and you said that you wanted to make this the supercar that
It was supposed to be.
Yeah, that it was supposed to be.
Yeah.
It's complete.
Now it's a little bit more super.
It's complete.
Thanks, man.
No problem at all. Hey, thanks for tuning in. If you haven't seen this guy, I'm sure you have.
Yeah.
Rich Rebuilds, link in the description below. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click on that subscribe button, ring that bell for notifications. I like posting cool car content. You're not going to want to miss it. Thanks for watching and happy motoring.